Hi there, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Never Enough from The Greatest Showman. So we're going to break this down into 4 different sections which will then complete the entire song. So like in all my videos, I've listed the full chord song lyric structure in the description below so that you can follow along and piece it all together. So let's start with the intro. So I'm quite high up on my piano at the moment, so here is middle C for reference. So if you locate that pitch on your piano, and we're going to be starting, well, the right hand's going to be starting like 1.5 octaves above middle C. And it's going to start on what's called A flat, so A flat. So the right hand first is going to be playing A flat, C, B flat, D flat, C, A flat, F. Do that again. A flat, C, B flat, D flat, C, A flat, F. So that's the first part of the right hand. Now let's look at the left hand. So you're going to be starting on A flat and E flat, like this. And then we're going to go down to E flat, B flat, and then E flat. And then F, C, F. So let's try that left hand again. A flat, E flat, E flat, B flat, E flat, and then F, C, F. So the first half of the intro fits together like this. I'm going to play it very slowly. And then the second half, the right hand's going A flat, C, B flat, and then E flat, D flat, C, A flat, C, A flat, then F, and then A flat. So it's quite high. I'll do that again. And the left hand with that is playing the same notes again. So and then you're going to play an extra F there. So I'm going to put the second part together now, and then I'll join the intro together from the beginning. So all together, it sounds like this, played slowly. So that's the intro done, and now we're going to have a look at the verse. So we're going to remain for the verse in this higher portion of the piano, and it's quite similar actually to the intro. So I'm just going to go through the chords first, and then it's simply a matter of just loosely breaking up the notes within the chords to create the sort of thing that's going on with the piano in the verse. The first chord is an A flat major, which is A flat, C, and E flat. And then the next chord is an E flat major, which is E flat, G, and B flat. And then we have F minor, which is F, A flat and C. D flat major, which is F, A flat and D flat. And then back to A flat major. And then we have what's called an E flat sus2, so which is an E flat, F and a B flat. And then you're going to resolve that by changing the F to a G. So I'll just play them as straightforward chords. So A flat major, E flat major, F minor, and then D flat to A flat, then E flat sus2, and then you repeat that progression twice. So the left hand, you could just play those root notes, so A flat, E flat, F, D flat, A flat, E flat. So this makes up the first part of the verse. So I'm just going to sort of something along the lines of what you could play just to break up the notes within those chords. So for the second part of the verse, so the bit where she's singing, take my hand, that bit, we're going to move slightly lower down. So I'm going to shift my camera down a bit. So here is middle C. So now I'm here. So the right hand's going to play E, A flat, G, and then the chord of F minor. And the left hand, you could break up the chord of F minor with it. And then you're going to play D flat major, so the same way we played it before. And you could do break up the chord in the left hand as well. And then we've got A flat major. And then we have A flat major in the right hand, but C's in the bass. That E flat sus chord again. So I'll do that one more time. And then it's into the chorus. So I'm going to move my camera down even more because now I'm playing even lower register. So the chord progression for the chorus, A flat major, E flat major, which is G, B flat and E flat, and then B flat minor, which is F, B flat and D flat, into F minor, and then into D flat major. And the left hand is just following those root notes. So if you can play in octaves, play in octaves, but if not, just play single notes. So we have A flats, E flats, B flat, F, and D flats. So I'm going to play it together, counting so you understand the beats, but just holding the chords down to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the right hand is actually pulsing those chords like this. Then it repeats it. So that's the chorus covered then. There's only one more section left to do, which is, I guess, the post-chorus. So for the never enough bit, we are going to play that on the piano. So if you can comfortable playing octaves, like consecutive octaves, and then have a go, but if not, just play single notes. So that part is A flat, B flat, C, E flat, and then C, B flat, C, B flat. And then you're going to end on a D flat major. And then you could progress that into a D9 by just changing the D flat into an E flat. So I'll do that again in octaves this time. The left hand, you could either just play in octaves or play single bass notes, or you could have a go at breaking up the full chord if you want to make it a bit more advanced. So the chord progression is A flat major, E flat major, F minor, D flat major. But you could have a go at breaking it up like this. So I'm gonna fit this together. First of all, just using single notes, and single notes in the left hand as well. Now I'm going to have a go at breaking up the chord in the left hand. Now I'm going to show you with octaves in the right hand as well. So that just about concludes all the sections needed to play the piano accompaniment for this song. So I hope that's been useful. Please give this video a big thumbs up if it has, and if you haven't subscribed to Bitesize Piano already, I'd love to have you here on my channel learning from my tutorials. If you have any song requests, please leave them down in the comments section. All requests are noted and considered. I look forward to talking to you all down there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!